Okay, in today's video I'm going to actually recreate one of the trade setups that we found in the breakout session today, and it was in DAL. Okay, so this one is really just a triple cluster, and what I mean by that is there's the coincidence of at least 3 Fibonacci price relationships within a relatively tight range. I'll show you where it came from. Here's a prior high to low swing. I projected 100% of that from the more recent high, and you can see that these swings are very similar. Prior swing is 391. This swing is 383. Okay, so they're similar, not exactly equal. There's also a 1272 extension. If you measure this low to high, extend it downwards, that came in at 5602. And then one more swing here. If you just measure this prior low to high, let's see where that comes in. So low to high. Actually, that's not the one I was looking for. Let me try this larger swing. Low to high. Okay, there it is. I knew there was a 618 in there somewhere, but it actually came from this slightly larger swing. So it's this low to this high. We did not actually have the retracement from that swing. So anyway, what the setup is then, in this case, is a support cluster from the 5602 to 5632 area, and we did test it close enough. So you can go down to the lower time frame charts and look for buy triggers. I believe it has already triggered, at least on a 15-minute chart. It may have also triggered on a 30-minute. Let me just double check that. Alright, so if we look at, let's look at DAL. Yeah, the 15-minute chart already triggered an entry because you did have the moving average crossover, and you did take out a prior swing high in the process. And let's see about the 30-minute. Actually, the 30-minute has also. So one of the things that you can look at in tomorrow's session is, you know, we've got a little bit of a pullback since it did trigger. You can enter the market and you can place your stop either underneath the low of 5641 or underneath the low end of the support, which is 5602. So we'll see how that looks tomorrow. And if it does continue to hold above this support, where's your potential upside target? It's always going to be, for a trend trade, the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone. And what else is very important is that if we break underneath this support cluster, get out, okay? Because then I'm just wrong the trade. They're not all going to work. You know that.